is a stair up to Big Buddha reclining. So it's beautiful that they carving only one stone rock from 16th century by the King Ong Chan Rishi after he got victory from Thailand. And this king also he convert Angkor Wat to a Buddhist temple. So he changed the name to Siem Reap also. Siem means Thai, Reap means defeated. He want to commemorate the victory day that he got from Thailand. So when he came here in 1997, we have to hiking up and no beautiful stair like now. Thank you for people that they donation the money to build this stair. It's quite easy than before. Please come to see Kulen Mountain. The original name we call Mahendra Parvata. That mean king of the god or the Indra. So the name is from the king Jayavarman number 2.